大家好. Today we are going to start with the sun. And this is the Chinese character for sun. 日 day sun. When the sun gets on top of the church, it's morning time. 10 早 early morning. Morning is the best time for plants to grow. 草 grass. This is the radical number 140. 草 grass straw. 日 had two meanings. Day, date. Sun. With the meaning day or date, here are some compound words come with 日. 日报 daily newspaper. 生日 birthday. 节日 holiday festival. 中国有很多节日吗? Are there a lot of festivals in China? 中国有很多节日吗? With the meaning is a sun. 日本 Japan. People go Japan is the country of sunrise. 周日 Sunday. 我下个星期要去日本. I am going to Japan next week. 我下个星期要去日本. 早 had two meanings. The first is morning, and the second is early or soon. With the meaning is morning, it has some compound word. 早饭 breakfast. 早上 early morning. People usually greet each other in the morning by 早上好 good morning. 从早到晚 from morning to night. 我去给你们准备早饭. I'll go get your breakfast ready. 我去给你们准备早饭. With the meaning soon or early. 最早 earliest. 早起 to get up early. 早婚 to marry too early. 火车少到了10分钟. The train was 10 minutes early. 火车早到了10分钟. 他来的比我早. He came earlier than I. 他来的比我早。草 also has two main meanings. The first is grass or straw. The second is draft when you're talking about document. When has meaning grass or straw, below is some compound word come with 草. 草原 grassland. 草帽 straw hat. The hat made from straw. 草莓 strawberry. 杂草 weeds. 羊儿在山上吃草。The sheep are grazing on hillside. 羊儿在山上吃草。不能在草地上走。You can't walk on the grass. 不能在草地上走。With the meaning draft, it here is some compound word. 早安 draft for proposal. 及早 draft. 他正起草一份计划。He drawing up a plan. 他正起草一份计划。Thank you all for the watching, and if you like my video, please click the subscribe button and see you in my next video.